joyous sound of a choir singing, the sacred sound of the church bells ringing, the happy sound of friendly footsteps crunching through the newly fallen snow. The sound of children giggling with delight, the sound of an organ full and rich and bright, bringing joy to the world, the first Noel. And is all